Hello my Zoa gamers, today we are going to
God.
watch 5 Don Polo sounds and rank them at the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Now let's get into the video.
El que quiera perder su tiempo, que entre a mi perfil. El que quiera perder su tiempo, que entre a mi perfil. Si tú entras a mi perfil.
Overall I'd have to say that was a good Don Polo sound. Now let's get into the next sound.
¡No! ¡No! ¡No lo diga! ¡Así no!
I would have to say that Don Polo sound effect almost made me cry. Now let's move on to the next one.
Salam aleikum, salam. Esta es la salsa. Dale picante.
To be honest I would have to say that is my least favorite Don Polo sound. Now let's move to the next one.
Un video más, mi gente. Me encanta esta vaina.
That was alright, but better than the previous. Now let's move to the next one.
Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo. Vean, como me dicen que le eche salsa. Vamos a echarle.
Okay, this is probably my least favorite sound and here's a tier list.